Hi, this is Kelly. This is my sheep brain dissection. So we have our sheep brain here. We have our cerebrum, and on the outside would be our arachnoid mater, our pia mater, and then our dura mater. There's a little bit of a of the layers, meninges, on the outside, just a very thin layer. We have our lobes. We have a frontal lobe, our parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and then our temporal. And then right down the middle, we would have a medial longitudinal fissure, which I cut right down the middle, well, split and then cut down through the corpus callosum, which is this guy right here. Go back to the cerebrum. We have our white matter and then a gray matter around towards the edges. We have the grooves on the outside of the brain would be the sulcus. I believe that's how you say that. And then the folds are gyrus. So those are kind of like those outside little humps. Then down at the bottom, it's kind of it's obviously cut in half already, but we have olfactory nerve bulb is the tract. They said the cranial nerves are kind of already all taken out. But then we have our optic chiasma that kind of crosses over here, which our pituitary gland would be sitting kind of like dangling down right here, but it was also removed. And then back here, that is our cerebellum. And then this is our brain stem. We have our spinal cord, our medulla pons, and then we get into our midbrain. Then kind of like the cross section of our cerebellum, we have this branch-like structure called arbor vitae. I believe that's how you say that. So that's kind of what describes that little vine-like structure. So kind of going a little bit further down, we have the midbrain right here. Then a little bit further up, this is our thalamus. Then we have our hypothalamus, which is right down here. This is our pineal gland, which is where we secrete our melatonin. We also have, again, this is our corpus callosum right here. This is one of our lateral ventricles. This right over the thalamus is our third ventricle. Then this is our, this goes to our fourth, which would be the cerebral aqueduct. And right down here is our fourth ventricle. So there's one on either side. That is our ventricle right here, that other lateral one. And then again, this is down here would be where our pituitary gland would be. I believe that's everything that we need to go over. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. Thanks.